A.L.S. Organic Cosmetics, the place where we look after our hair and skin in the organic way. So if you know you have four type hair, that means 4A, 4B, 4C, then you want to stick around, get some tips and learn some tutorials on how to bring out the best in your 4C hair. If we're ready, what are we waiting for? Let's jump right in. Yeah, so that is like some days old hair, and she's just first spritz. Always remember to spritz your hair when you want to go into it. So that looks like dry hair, and oh, she's doing just twists. Wow, that's a lot of hair, and she's twisted it all. So always remember, always spritz your hair first. That's beautiful. Wow, so that's like a protective styling that should stay in for some weeks, okay, without you touching your hair all the time. Hey. Again, that's dry, fussy hair. As you can see, she's patting it. Okay, water, yeah, always moisture, 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 then gel. So the water first, then the gel. And then you always seal it in, okay? Always seal it in. Yeah, she's using the brush. Again, anytime you're using the brush, be gentle with your hair. Be gentle. She's done a sweet pony. Yeah, again, that's a beautiful hairstyle. So remember, always moisturize your hair. Before you touch your hair, always moisturize it first because you don't want any breaks. Oh, I love those edges. You do not want any breaks because our hair, I wouldn't say it's brittle. If you've looked after your hair very, oh, she looks sweet, doesn't she? I love that. She's got some beautiful hair. Yes, that's dry hair again. Moisture, moisture, moisture. Yeah, you see the water always. And then I think she's going in with a gel as well. So water, gel, and then you seal it in with some oil. She's got beautiful hair. OMG. People, our hair is gold. Look after it. Look after it. Even if you've abused it, I mean, just decide in your mind, I'm going to start looking after my hair. And it will take some time, but it will grow back and beautiful. Look at that. Girls, you got it nailed down. Yeah, she's done it like half up, half down. That's beautiful, isn't it? Her hair's long. She's beautiful. Well done, girl. People, let's look after this thing that goes out of our crown. Yeah, they all got dry hair. Anytime your hair is dry, always remember to spritz it. And then go in with conditioner or gel. Just to soften it first before you even try to maneuver it. Beautiful. Wow. She's done a pineapple. Hey, hey, that's a true crown of glory. People are here. Cherish your hair. Cherish every strand. Yeah, I love that part every single time. I love that part. And you go with the gel, girl. You brushing it all up. Yeah. Protect your hair. Oh, that's a beautiful style. Hey, sister girl. Hey. Hey. Wow, that's beautiful, people. That was beautiful. Hey, this is thick and rich and juicy and curly and coconut and shea butter, you see? Coconut and shea butter, and it's just defining hair curls. I mean, with that, you can add a bit of flaxseed gel. If you know your hair is on the dry side, always, like if your hair is truly dry, do a light flaxseed gel and start slowly defining your hair. Trust me, it will. My hair used to be so dry, it never would even absorb the flax gel. Hey, she just done her pony. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's like a Bantu knot. Oh, that's beautiful. You take that for a wedding. That was beautiful. Yeah, the gel. Trust me, look. Wow, people, that is beautiful. And then she's gonna hold it all up. Yeah, yeah, that clip. I need to go and find my clip. I think I want to do this hairstyle. It's beautiful. I like it. I like it a lot. That one. Yeah, she did some twist and she's taking it out. Look at that coily hair. It's beautiful. Girls, you've nailed it. People, that's beautiful style, isn't it? Yay. It's so beautiful to see. Moisture, moisture, moisture. You don't moisturize your hair only when you wash it, but anytime you want to maneuver it, put some moisture in it before you even touch it. Our hair loves water. Beautiful girl. Yeah, when you wake up in the morning, the pineapple, isn't it? Yeah, moisture, moisture, moisture. I cannot even stress how much moisture our hair needs. She woke up in the morning and the hair was like, what are you saying? Yeah, again, be very gentle with your edges. Hey, sister girl. Don't even play with her. Oh, she's using the ordinary, yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful, isn't it? Hey, she's putting shades. So me, I'm rocking my natural hair with my shades. Quiet, she's going on a date. Oh, natural hair date. Girl, you look hot. You look fab. People, this is called natural hair date. So don't even play. What do you think? People, what do you think? Do you love your natural hair? I hope we all do. And let's begin to train our daughters to love their hair instead of hair. Don't put a comb in their hair and make them scream. The Eco Styler gel. I bet the people, the company that sells the Eco Styler gel, man, they must be making billions. Which natural doesn't use? Maybe only me. I'm the only one who doesn't use the Eco Styler gel. I don't remember if when I did my big chop, I was using Eco Styler. I don't remember. It's been a while, so I don't remember. Right, yeah, the company that makes the Eco Styler gel, they must be a multi-millionaire, if not billionaires. Yeah, because like every natural uses it. Minus me. I make my own gel. Beautiful ladies. Ladies who have mastered their oh, look at that. Wow, yeah, that's a three strand twist. It's gonna be beautiful. I told you so. Because I know when you do it twist, it's nice, but when you do it three and you unravel it, it's another level. Look how easily she's unraveling. She's beautiful. OMG. She's looked after her hair. Girl. Sister Queen. Hey, you did it. You did. You make us proud. People, isn't that beautiful? This is all natural. Isn't this beautiful? It's so heartwarming to see that like our sisters have mastered their hair. It's beautiful to see. People, let's begin to admire and let's begin to cherish every strand of hair. If you cherish every strand of hair, you will not abuse it. Trust me, you will not. You just put a band. Yes, sis. He's doing a part. Yeah, she's got some length, isn't she? The edges is where we all always wanted to be like, hey, ladies and their edges. Don't even try them. It just brings out the best in your face. So everybody is into. Oh, it's beautiful, simple and nice. It's beautiful. People, I hope you are getting some styles that you want to do. Oh, she wants to do the hairstyle. She's like, I want this one. You know, sometimes you can see a style and you just fall in love with that style. She's doing it. Oh, she surely is doing it. Mm. And she's doing the back. So she's done the front like a cornrow and then with the back. And she's covering it. Okay. She's going to bed. Okay. Yeah, she's going to bed with it. So when she wakes up in the morning, it will be juicy. Yeah, because she put a shower cap on it to retain the moisture in it. Ah, sisters, you've done us proud, man. Oh, that's a jam. She put the jam first and then she put in the gel to sleek it down. And you always have to put some oil so that, oh, but look how shiny. Beautiful. Get a satin scarf and tie it. Hey, you see? Wow. Wow, Sister Queen. Hey, people, is that not beautiful? That you can wear your natural hair, no wig, to whatever event. That's a special occasion, but look, she looked good, man. Everybody will be looking at her at the event because she looked like a queen, stately. Who said natural hair is not people, man? You got to work your hair like hair is not just hair, it goes far beyond. Oh, look how beautiful her face looks. Wow, beautiful. People, hey, 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 natural hair. Yeah, her hair is dense and thick and rich. And, oh, girl, people love your natural hair. Love what goes from the crown. But people, we're going to take our hair and our skin to the next level. All organically, no chemicals. People, stay tuned in. Love your hair and it will love you back. Love what grows from your crown. Admire it, cherish it, appreciate it, and it will do the same for you. Stay tuned in. Bye.